I think we missed our exit.
Are we going to?
didn't.
I want to build a sandcastle.
No.
SeaWorld? No. I want to go to the sand. I want to build.
Where are we going, Jaja?
We're going to the sand.
We're going to the sand.
Yeah, I want to build a sandcastle. Sand? Pull over. We just need 10
What other places do you guys think?
We don't know.
Why don't you know?
Where are we? Tell
There's
me
signs
where we are.
everywhere.
What are we?
Oh, there's an airplane right there.
There's signs everywhere.
Signs everywhere.
Okay, my last hint because we're almost there.
No, you can't say that.
It's Gianni's birthday. Where did you want to go for your
See?
birthday?
I don't know.
Okay, then.
See?
Think about it.
Where have I wanted to go for my birthday?
There's Marmar back there. Hi, Mar. Okay. Where are we?
I don't know.
Where are we, guys?
Circus Circus? We're going to Circus Circus? Are we?
Are
There
we?
you go.
Are we? I don't know. I don't know.
Self-parking entrance?
Yeah, hotel registration room back there.
Are we going to Circus Circus? If we're going
We're going to Circus Circus. Circus Circus.
Let's go. Guys, the best night.
Elevator party in the elevator.
Mark can't double jump. Mark can't double jump.
yet.